Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers' reports are being received from several sources that fighting between Eritrean soldiers and Amhara militias has been broke out in western Tigray. Viewers, of course, you know, and I have also informed you that there are huge numbers of Amhara militias and Eritrean soldiers in western Tigray. But according to the reports received now, there has been a fight between the Eritrean soldiers and the Amhara militias in western Tigray, especially in Humera. This is not a big news because we have already seen in many places where there are soldiers of Eritrean army and Amhara militias fighting between them starts. As a few days ago, the same information was received from Gondar that there was a fight between the Eritrean army and Amhara militias around the Gondar. And now there are reports from many sources that fighting between the Eritrean soldiers and Amhara militias has started in western Tigray. Viewers, but so far no official statement was given by the Tigray government, Amhara and Ethiopian government. But many sources are now confirming that this news is true. And on the other hand, big claims are being made by Tigray Defense Force about the ongoing war on the Afar Tigray border. Tigray Defense Force side claims Tigray Defense Force soldiers have heavily defeated Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies in Abala. And Tigray Defense Force is claiming that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered the area of Afar region and have taken full control of Abala. To be seen, this is a big victory from Tigray Defense Force because Abala is located on the border of Afar and Tigray in Afar region, from where the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies can enter the Tigray region. But now, according to the latest reports, Tigray Defense Force has fully gained control over Abala and has pushed the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies back into the Afar region. According to reports, the fighting has now spread in many areas of the Afar region, which includes Birhale, Adit Kusra, Drubu and Enfitale, and many photos from Tigray Defense Force has been shared, which can be seen that soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces are in the custody of Tigray Defense Force. But no confirmed reports have been received so far as to where Tigray Defense Force has captured these soldiers. There are reports from some sources that they have been caught during the ongoing war on the Afar Tigray border. And there are also reports that they have been caught from the Amhara region. Viewers, at present, heavy war is going on in Amhara region and Afar, and videos is receiving from Tigray Defense Force on a daily basis, in which a large number of Tigray Defense Force soldiers can be seen. In every video, they can be seen singing and dancing. But so far, no such video has been shared by Amhara forces and Ethiopian National Defense Force. Due to such videos, the soldiers receive a mental and physical rest. There has been a fresh video received from Tigray Defense Force, a small clip of video which I am sharing with you. Let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.